Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and we're going to come in today with a little something different. We're going to do a fun kids craft. And I got my daughter here. Catherine, want to say hi?
Hi.
Here she is. I just came back from the Creativation 2018, which is hosted by AFCI, the Association for Creative Industries. One of the companies that was there is this company called PlayMais, and I think they were out of Germany. I could be wrong, but I think that's what this was. And basically what it is, and I think it's Germany because I can see, Kinder and da-da-da. And basically it's saying not suitable for under 3 because they might think this is candy. But I said, well, is it possible for me to get one of these little ones for my daughter to do? And they handed me this kit. I said, we're going to do a video on this. And that is what we are doing. So we've got two little things. We have the butterfly and we have the pony. And Catherine, which one do you want to do? She wants to do the pony. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the bag. We got a cute little bumblebee tray because that's rolling around everywhere. All right, so I was all prepared to use a paper towel, and what I saw them doing is they actually had these little felt things. I didn't realize I got one in my kit. And all we're going to do is we're going to get our felt wet. It's pretty simple. So I am going to be doing, which one's this?
Butterfly.
The butterfly. And Catherine, you are going to do?
The pony.
So get our last little couple things. So this is fairly simple. It says just dampen included sponge. Ta-da. Tap PlayMais mosaic on it and stick on the card. Now what these remind me of is these remind me of the little popcorn pieces that you get in your shipping. They've colored them and they're nice and small, but this also does say that these are naturally safe, they're biodegradable, which I think is fantastic. So just in case your kids do, drop them on the floor or you end up throwing a few away, they are biodegradable. So no glue needed. Since PlayMais is made from corn and food coloring, all you need is a little bit of water in your imagination, and it's completely safe and easy to clean up. Yay! Is that cool? All right, so I have some water in my little spray bottle here. So we are going to spray and get this thing all nice and wet. All we have to do is, I think, and I'm going to start with a yellow one for the tummy. I'm going to take it, I go dip, 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 just to get the bottom wet, and I stick it, just like that.
Stick it.
That's pretty cool, right? All right. Dip, 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 dip. Stick it. This is kind of fun.
Yeah.
It's just enough to get it a little bit wet and stick it down. I mean, they do have little circles that you're trying to follow, but if you're not perfect, I think that's fine.
Yeah, it's okay.
I think it's okay too, don't you? So look at that. It's kind of cute. It's a little three-dimensional. Hmm? Oh, you want me to finish it? All right, okay. So in this bag, we got a whole bunch of fun colors. So you don't have to go with exactly what the colors are on here. I'm going to try. And I think, are you going to follow the colors? All right, so we're going to do our best to follow the colors and just have some fun. So we're going to go ahead and speed this up and we're going to finish up our little art project here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So here they are. So I just want to show you that now that they are done, it did not take that much time at all, but they are sticking on there, but good. And let's check out. So I didn't even touch. Catherine did hers on her own. Now, Catherine, how old are you?
5.
She's 5. And so look at that. It is perfect. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Was it easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you like making the pony?
Yeah.
So I love that it's just something super fun, super easy. And we had enough. This is the kit for the butterfly, but we also got the card for the pony. And I still have enough left over that if we went and printed out a new card, and I'd have to look to see if there's online, if there's like free printables, or you could design your own cards. So much fun. This is just on kind of like a little bit of a cardboard paper, but it's kind of thin. It's still a little flexible. And if she wanted to, she could fill in all the background dots, but we kind of like the idea that we're just filling in the image, right? Yeah, we're just making a pony and the butterfly. And it is cute. It's so much fun. I could see a kid doing this if you were doing like a Girl Scout party or if you were having a kids party. I mean, there's all kinds of fun stuff you can do with that. All right, so Catherine, we decided to go print out some new sheets, right? And what? Yeah. Because we didn't have any more of the pre-made sheets, we decided just to go find some online, and we just put in PlayMais images is all we did. And what did we find? We found a
A princess.
A princess.
A sun.
A sun and
And
a gumball machine. And the cool thing about this one is that obviously she can create and she can do whatever she wants in terms of colors because it wasn't pre-designed for her. These ones she kind of followed the pattern, but this one she had a blast. I think the gumball machine was your favorite. You did that one first.
Yeah.
And I love your sun. That is pretty darn cool because and look, she matched up with some patterns and she had some pattern making. And then the princess, did she have blonde hair? Yeah, and she's got some rosy cheeks and a purple dress. No, not purple. Sorry. A what color?
Blue.
A blue dress. Mommy can't even.
It says blue for me.
I can't hear you. What?
It says blue for me.
She's telling me they're the 3 primary colors. She's just learned what the 3 primary colors are, so she's done absolutely fun. So do you still have some little pieces left? Yeah, so you could still make some more if you wanted to, right? That's so much fun. So thanks so much for stopping by. This is a cute little kid's craft. Thanks so much, PlayMais, for sending this item along for my daughter and I to play with.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks so much for stopping by, and please subscribe. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
That was short.